Did you know that a common penny from 1992 could be the most profitable asset in your pocket right now? While most people ignore their loose change, professional numismatists and high-stakes investors are hunting for one specific variety that recently commanded a staggering auction record of over $25,000. This isn't just a copper coin. In the world of alternative investments, it is a high-value asset class. In today's comprehensive deep dive, we are exploring the legendary 1992 Close AM Lincoln cent. We will analyze the exact markers used by Heritage Auctions to verify this rarity and explain why the PCGS grading scale creates such a massive financial delta. Stay with me for the next 10 minutes, because learning how to identify this one microscopic detail could fundamentally change your financial portfolio. We are going to look at live data, population reports, and real-time market values that prove why this penny is a hidden treasure in the American monetary system. To understand why this coin is a rare specimen, we must perform a technical analysis of the reverse design. In 1992, a fascinating lapse occurred at the United States Mint. The Mint accidentally utilized a proof die that was intended for the 1993 coinage. This mistake birthed the famous Close AM variety, a die pairing error that is now legendary among collectors. Look at the word America through this high-resolution PCGS TrueView lens. On a standard 1992 penny, the letters A and M have a visible gap between them. However, on the valuable rare variety, the feet of the letters are almost touching. It's a subtle difference that requires a magnifying glass or a digital microscope, but for an investor, that tiny gap represents thousands of dollars in equity. Beyond the letters, there is another hidden marker near the designer's initials, FG. On the rare variety, the initials are placed slightly further away from the memorial building. Mastering these two markers is your first step toward finding a five-figure coin. Condition is the ultimate driver of value in the numismatic market. Even if you find the Close AM error, the coin's physical state determines whether it's worth $100 or $20,000. We are now looking at the PCGS Photograde tool to compare various states of preservation. Notice the difference between a circulated MS60 brown penny and a museum-quality MS67 Red specimen. The market appreciation for red, RD, pennies is significantly higher than for brown or red-brown examples. In high-level trading, RD signifies that the coin has retained at least 95% of its original mint luster. Collectors pay a premium for this aesthetic perfection. When you see a PCGS slab with an MS67 RD designation, you are looking at a top-tier financial instrument. Investors prioritize these because they are easier to liquidate at major auction houses. A flawless surface with zero contact marks is the gold standard for anyone looking to maximize their return on investment in the rare coin market. Why does a single penny cost as much as a luxury car? The answer lies in the PCGS population report. Scarcity is the primary engine of value. According to official data, only a handful of these 1992 Close AM pennies have been certified in high grades. When the pop count, the total number of known coins, is in the single digits for a specific grade, the price goes parabolic. Serious investors use these coins for portfolio diversification because they are uncorrelated with the stock market. On your screen, you can see the population data for MS67 and MS68 grades. There are millions of pennies minted in 1992, but only a fraction are Close AM and an even smaller fraction are in gem condition. This extreme rarity is the reason why premier auction firms like Stocks Bowers and Heritage Auctions highlight these coins in their signature events. You aren't just looking for a piece of copper, you are looking for a rare historical anomaly with proven market demand. Let's look at the cold, hard facts of realized prices. Many people think these values are just estimates, but the auction records tell a different story. Here is a documented sale from Heritage Auctions. As our cursor highlights the final hammer price, you can see this 1992 Close AM penny sold for exactly $25,850. This is a realized financial transaction. This transparency is what makes the coin market so robust. Unlike private sales, public auctions provide a clear benchmark for what investors are willing to pay for rarity. Whether it's Philadelphia or Denver Mint, the close AM variety consistently outperforms expectations. Notice the bidding history on the screen. Multiple high-net-worth individuals were competing for this specific coin. This level of competition ensures high liquidity for the owner. If you possess a coin of this caliber, you aren't just a collector. You are a custodian of a highly liquid, high-demand American asset that has survived decades in near-perfect condition. Now let's explore a critical detail that many amateurs miss: the mint mark distinction. In 1992, pennies were struck at both the Philadelphia and Denver mints. While the close AM error is famous on Philadelphia coins, those with no mint mark, it also exists on Denver minted pennies, marked with a small d under the date. However, the market dynamics for each are different. Using the PCGS price guide, we can observe that the Philadelphia close AM is significantly rarer and commands a higher premium in the current market. As I move the cursor over the population data, you will see that finding a Denver close AM is still a major financial win, but the Philadelphia version is the ultimate holy grail for Lincoln cent collectors. Why is this important? Because a high net worth investor looking to complete a registry set will pay a massive premium for the Philadelphia variety to maintain a perfect collection. Understanding which mint produced your error is the difference between a 4-figure and a 5-figure payday. One of the most frequent questions I receive is, how do I know my coin is real? Authentication is the bedrock of the numismatic industry. If you think you found a close AM penny, you cannot simply list it on eBay for $20,000 and expect a sale. Professional buyers require third-party certification from a reputable service like PCGS or NGC. The grading process involves multiple experts examining the coin under high-powered magnification to ensure the surface hasn't been altered or cleaned. As you can see in this PCGS submission walkthrough, the coin is placed in a sonically sealed, tamper-evident holder called a slab. This slab protects the coin's physical integrity and provides a universal guarantee of its grade and authenticity. This plastic holder is what provides the liquidity. It allows a buyer in New York to safely purchase a coin from a seller in California, knowing exactly what they are getting. Never attempt to grade a rare coin yourself. Leave it to the professionals to secure your investment. There is one fatal mistake that destroys thousands of dollars in value every single day: cleaning your coins. To a novice, a shiny, scrubbed penny looks better, but to an expert investor, a cleaned coin is a damaged coin. Professional graders like those at PCGS can immediately detect hairlines or harsh cleaning marks on the surface. When a coin is cleaned, it loses its original mint luster, that natural cartwheel glow that we see on high-grade specimens. A 1992 close AM penny that has been cleaned will receive a details grade, which often slashes its market value by 70 to 80%. If you find a rare coin in your pocket change, do not use soap, water, or any chemicals. Handle it only by the edges and place it in a soft PVC-free flip. Preservation is just as important as the discovery itself. Your goal is to keep the coin in the exact state it was in when it left the mint. This level of care is what separates a casual hobbyist from a serious wealth builder in the coin market. Let's analyze the long-term wealth potential of rare modern errors. While gold and silver bullion fluctuate with daily spot prices, rare numismatic errors like the 1992 close AM operate on a different supply and demand curve. Over the last decade, we have seen a massive influx of capital into the rare coin market as investors seek tangible assets to hedge against inflation. Modern rarities are particularly popular because they are still findable in the wild, yet their scarcity in high grades is mathematically proven. Look at this price appreciation chart on the screen. A 1992 close AM in MS67 grade that sold for $5,000 a decade ago is now worth significantly more. This isn't just a hobby, it's a sophisticated sector of the collectibles market. As more people enter the hobby and the population of top-tier coins remains stagnant, the competition for these pieces will only intensify. Holding a high-grade 1992 close AM is like owning a rare piece of American manufacturing history that has a built-in global market of buyers. So, you found a potential rarity. What's next? The final step is knowing where to find liquidity. For a coin of this magnitude, I highly recommend established auction houses like Heritage Auctions or Stack's Bowers. These platforms attract the world's wealthiest collectors, ensuring you get the true market value. You can also utilize the PCGS Collector's Corner to see active bids and offers. Remember, the journey to finding a $20,000 penny starts with a single magnifying glass and a little bit of patience. I want to hear from you. Have you checked your 1992 pennies after watching this video? Have you ever found a mint error in your pocket change? Share your discoveries and photos in the comments below. We have a vibrant community of collectors here, and your find might be the next big headline in the numismatic world. Don't forget to like this video to help other hunters find this hidden wealth, and subscribe for our next deep dive into the most valuable coins in circulation. Happy hunting, and I'll see you in the next high-value analysis.